Hello and welcome everyone to a new video about the Math Performance Task Term 3 done by Tarek Badra, supervised by Mr. Osama. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to start with the innovation and creativity theme of this project, which will help to explain the parabola. Well, the first step is creativity, act of turning new and imaginative idea. Second step, innovation, creative of a new idea. Third step, innovation, turning a new concept. And now we're going to talk about the goal and role. Well, the goal, create a booklet to prove Archimedes' formula. Consider motion gate entrance in Dubai. And now we're going to talk about the role. Well, the role, create a downwards parabola of y equal 9 minus x squared.
Charles Robert Darwin. Charles Darwin set out on a voyage when he was 22 years old. The 5-year voyage took him to South America in the islands off its coast. The studies that he conducted during this voyage were to change forever the way we look at the variety of life on Earth. Interestingly, after he got back to England, he never left its shores again. He stayed at home and conducted various experiments that led him to formulate his hypothesis that evolution took place due to natural selection.
Now, after we listen to Charles Robert Darwin, we're going to go to the next slide and see what it's about. Well, it's about Archimedes' formula. First thing we're going to talk about is the formula. FB equal VPG, where V is the volume of the object P. P is the density of the void and gravitational acceleration. For the second slide, we're going to talk about Archimedes and parabola. Main theorem is parabolic segment is the region bounded by a parabola and line. To find the area of a parabolic segment, Archimedes considers a certain incredible triangle. This triangle is the given chord of the parabola, and the third vertex is the point on the parabola, such that the tangent to the parabola at that point is parallel to the chord. And Archimedes gives two proofs of the main theorem. And the last one is the segment will balance the weight of the triangle when placed on a paraboloid lever. The second, more famous proof uses pure geometry. Now, let's go to the second slide. Alright, so right here we're going to talk about the interaction of 16 minus x squared. Well, f of x equal 16 minus x squared. Going down to 1.333. 16 minus x squared minus 1.333. Now we're going to go down to make it a simplified equation. We're going f of x equal 16x minus 9x over 3. F of x brackets 1.333 equals 16 multiplied by 1.333 minus 9 multiply 1.333 over 3 equal 14.22. F of x multiply minus 1.333 equal to 16 multiply minus 1.333 minus 9 multiply minus 1.333 over 3 equal to negative 14.22. f of x multiplied by 1.333 minus f multiplied minus 1.333. Now all the equations going down to equal 14.222 minus 14.222 equal to 28.444. Now for the next slide, it's going to talk about the Archimedes parabolized area formula, and it is 2 over 3 bh. Down there is going to 2 over 3 multiplied by 2.666 multiply 16 equal to 28.437. Now we're going to check what is our next slide. Well, as you can see right here, we went to the dismos.com and we got 16 minus x squared. As you can see right here, we got the link, we got everything, and it goes on the 16 at the top, and it's the parabola. And now we're going to check for the next slide. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and a big thank for Mr. Osama, and thanks for his effort. And that was all of it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.